Hey guys, it's me, your Ate Ace ulit guys, and we are back in Grow a Garden. New episode guys, new series, and as you can see guys, there is a huge update yesterday, and I I joined in public server because I'm in my private server, and what happened in my public server guys is I got stolen by a player. The name is Desbroken Lated. And I see hopefully that guy will be reported again guys. I will be sharing it to you guys because my big rainbow lilac gets stolen. As you can see, there is no more big lilac there. And now we're testing out a new seed. As you can see, there is a new seed here, and as you can see, I got reconnect. I have a slow signal, guys. And now we will be rejoining in my server again, guys. As first, you can see, guys, why did I got stolen by a player named this broken related? Is I will be showing the true story, guys. Is I am in my private server waiting for the update to release, be released, fully released, but I got disconnected and I got reconnected and the game reconnect from the public server, and while I'm waiting I thought I am in my private server pa rin guys. So the thing happened super fast guys. Ay ninakawan ako ng big lilac. One big lilac. Rainbow pa yun guys. And I don't know, but maybe the price of it is run out in billion or even maybe trillion na siguro yun guys. As you can see. And that this broken related username, please block and report that guy so he will be banned forever. As you can see guys, he is the only one account of their this broken related name. So no other than this broken related scammer and stealing fruits from other players. As you can see, nakakuha po siya ng 4 na lilac sa akin, ninakaw niya. So mabilis niya pong ninakaw. So I am trying to say to him na ibalik pero hindi niya binalik. So I reported him. Hopefully guys, you will be aware of that guy that stealing fruits in the server. And there are many more scammers and stealing fruit players. They are pretty big mistake and big liar in the game. So I hope that Jendel or the owner of this game won't will be, guys, I'll take action of this, that they are stealing a fruit and scamming players to get upset. So as you can see, I am buying a paradise egg, and let's see, and we will wait for the rafflesia seeds to be grown, and hopefully and the pitcher seeds too. We will be waiting for that. So okay, as you can see guys, we are using the sprinkler method and I'm using the watering can. Where is it? Here it is, the watering can, and here it is. I'm still growing, I'm still lagging because I only use my data load. So there it is, as you can see. Yes guys, and we get our shovel, and as you need, and hopefully guys in the next update we will be rejoining guys in the game. So let's see you. And there it is guys, we are rejoining back in the game as you can see, and we will look up if the game is still on. Hopefully my plants will be getting higher, the reflection seed and the pitcher seed. Hopefully guys, there it is. As you can see, we will be checking the seed shop, and there is no, yes, there is the watermelon seed and the reflection, but I will be not buying the reflection seeds again because it is useless for me because I am a billionaire. And but if you are a beginner guys, I suggest that get the reflection seed and plant it to your but don't expect that the price is higher because the price is 150 pesos only. I don't I mean the higher is price. So I'm buying the magnifying glass. So as you can see guys, the magnifying glass is very helpful to your garden when you are checking the price, so you won't harvest all of your plant, and there it is. And hopefully, as you can see guys, we have one melon there normal, and hopefully, and yes, as you can see, there is the hamster. I already bought the hamster guys, and already bought the summer stock, delphinium seed. I don't think so, but the delphinium seed is, I already tried it guys, it is useless. And this is guys, this is the hamster pet, and this is very cute guys. A cute pet that really good for crafting. As you can see, you can use it for crafting guys. Makikita nyo na mas mabilis siyang mag-craft kapag ina-craft ito. So, dapat yung medyo mga mahabang minutes yung i-craft nyo. So, that will help you to craft easily. So, we will be rejoining again guys kasi nakikita nyo it's not getting more big. You know, hindi pa siya lumalaki yung ating Rafflesia saka ating picture seed. Picture plant pala. So, ayun. Our Rafflesia is getting more. Kasi guys, it is magre-redeem tayo maya-maya. So, as you can see, we will be checking the price of this Rafflesia seed. So, we will harvest this guys. As you can see, there it is. We will be harvesting this. And there it is, watering can. We will be using the watering can guys. And yes, basic sprinkle 2. There is, there, that is, we will be getting that, we will be getting this, to take this, the price of this Rafflesia seed. As you can see guys, let's go to the shop and let's see the price. So, ayun, Rafflesia seed, let's search it. So, ayun. Sorry for the mess and pronouncement. So, this one guys, there's no restocking, so we'll be checking the price. As you can see, the price is, how much is this worth? The worth is, I valued it, I'm wrong. So, it's 6,256 shekels guys for the beginner. As you see, beginner pa rin ba guys? For that, maybe for me it's I feel useless, but the picture plant is better than Rafflesia. So I hope Jendal will remove this Rafflesia seed because I hate it. But I love the Fugia seed. Picture plant is a new plant, so you can only harvest it once, but I love it. Yes, of course guys. So we will be rejoining the game, and hopefully the picture plant is getting the start, and yung magbubunga na siya guys. So we are doing it Taglish. Here it is guys, we are now back in the Guru Garden. As you can see, our picture plant is have the fruit, and the price is 3 million guys. As you can see, that's a gold one, and I never expected it that it is a gold. Maybe it's by he got the mutation on Dragonfly, maybe it's not, or I don't know, it's normal, but yeah guys, it is in a game. Yes, you have a chance in a game to get a golden one, but it's you know, the percent is very slow. As you can see, we have a melon there, and there it is, our melon. It's not our melon, because I am here in my public server again guys, rejoining. I'm not scared anymore because I don't have a big lilac. I don't have a big word, ano na guys, because I'm not, it's not a public server. Actually, it's a private pa rin kasi actually it's just looking public private because I have so many friends joining in my private server. So there it is, we have 41 likes in my garden. As you can see guys, if you are here in the at the end of my video, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and consider to comment your username, and let's be friends. And I will be giving you a pet, and I will be giving you fruits, and it will make you a billion or trillion guys. And thank you for watching guys, thank you for supporting me guys, and we will be hitting the 800 subscribers this week or next month. Also, see you, bye bye guys. Thank you for watching, and thank you for supporting this video in the end of this video. Bye.